Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best MIDI keyboard controllers that can take your music production to the next level. Whether you're a producer, beatmaker, or just starting your musical journey, these controllers are packed with features that inspire creativity. Let's get right into it. Number 5 on our list is the RockJam Go MIDI keyboard controller. The RockJam Go MIDI keyboard controller redefines musical creativity by offering a versatile, portable, and wireless experience for musicians and producers. Designed for those who demand flexibility and freedom, this keyboard eliminates the hassle of cables with its Bluetooth MIDI connectivity, allowing seamless interaction with laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. Its rechargeable battery ensures that you can create and perform anywhere, whether in a home studio, a live setting, or on the go. Equipped with 8 backlit, velocity-sensitive touchpads and 8 360-degree control knobs, the RockJam Go provides extensive hands-on control over your music, enabling intricate beatmaking, modulation, and sound shaping. The innovative omnidirectional joystick adds a layer of expressiveness, offering dynamic pitch and modulation control that brings performances to life. Integration with major digital audio workstations is effortless thanks to driverless, plug-and-play USB connectivity. Whether you're working with GarageBand, FL Studio, Logic Pro X, or Ableton, this MIDI controller ensures smooth workflow and immediate responsiveness. Compact yet powerful, the RockJam Go MIDI keyboard controller caters to musicians seeking both mobility and precision, making it an ideal companion for music creation, production, and performance. Its combination of wireless freedom, rechargeable convenience, versatile controls, and broad software compatibility makes it a tool that adapts to any musical environment, inspiring creativity without limitations. Number 4 is the M-Vave K5 MIDI keyboard controller. The M-Vave K5 MIDI keyboard controller is designed for musicians, songwriters, and beatmakers seeking a versatile and portable music production solution. Featuring 25 velocity-sensitive MIDI keys, the K5 delivers precise control for studio production, virtual synthesizers, and beat creation. Its compact design and lightweight build make it highly portable, allowing users to carry it easily in a bag to the studio, cafe, or even a hotel room. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity and a built-in 2000 mAh battery, the K5 offers up to 16 hours of wireless operation, freeing creators from the constraints of cables. The controller includes 8 RGB backlit velocity-sensitive pads, 8 assignable rotary encoders, and 2 capacitive touch stripes for pitch bend, providing extensive control over all aspects of music production. These features allow users to mix, tweak synth parameters, and manipulate effects seamlessly within any digital audio workstation. The K5 is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS devices, supporting popular DAWs such as Ableton Live, FL Studio, Cubase, Logic Pro X, Bitwig, Reason, Studio One, and GarageBand. This broad compatibility ensures that musicians and producers can integrate the K5 effortlessly into their workflow, whether they are working in a home studio, performing live, or creating music on the go. With its combination of portability, wireless freedom, and comprehensive controls, the M-Vave K5 MIDI keyboard controller provides a flexible and efficient tool for modern music creation. Coming in at number 3 is the Akai MK3 MIDI keyboard controller. The Akai MK3 MIDI keyboard controller is designed for musicians, producers, and beatmakers seeking a compact yet powerful tool for modern music production. This USB-powered controller features 25 velocity-sensitive MIDI keys, making it an ideal companion for studio production, virtual synthesizer control, and beat creation. Its responsive keys ensure that every note played reflects subtle dynamics, offering expressive control over your compositions. Central to the MK3's design is an innovative 4-way thumbstick, enabling dynamic pitch bending and modulation in real time. A built-in arpeggiator allows adjustment of resolution, range, and mode, providing endless rhythmic and melodic possibilities. This intuitive control layout gives users the ability to shape their music with precision, making it versatile for any genre. The MK3 seamlessly integrates with Native Instruments' NKS standard, offering direct access to presets and sound libraries through a curated interface. Akai has partnered with Native Instruments to provide exclusive access to one of 3 complete 15 select bundles, beats, band, or electronic, giving producers an array of high-quality sounds right out of the box. Beat making is enhanced by 8 backlit MPC-style pads, which are velocity-sensitive and feature note repeat and full-level functionality. These pads allow for hands-on programming of drums, triggering samples, or controlling DAW functions with accuracy and fluidity. Additionally, 8 360-degree assignable knobs provide full control over virtual instruments and effects, making it easier to tweak synth parameters or mix tracks without leaving the keyboard. Accompanied by over 1,500 sounds, MPC Beats software, 3 virtual instruments, and 2 gigabytes of curated content, the Akai MK3 serves as a complete music production starter kit. Whether crafting beats, designing synth textures, or performing live, the MK3 offers a comprehensive and streamlined workflow, combining portability with professional-grade features in one compact MIDI controller. Number 2 is the M-Audio Oxygen Pro MIDI Keyboard Controller. The M-Audio Oxygen Pro MIDI Keyboard Controller is designed for musicians, producers, and beatmakers seeking a versatile and compact production tool. Featuring 32 velocity-sensitive semi-weighted mini keys, it allows for expressive performance and precise control over virtual instruments and digital audio workstations on both Mac and Windows platforms. Its USB-powered design ensures easy connectivity without the need for additional power sources, making it ideal for studio setups or mobile production environments. One of its standout features is auto-mapping to popular DAWs and plugins, including MPC Beats, Ableton Live, Cubase, and Logic. Through the OLED display, users can quickly select their preferred map, streamlining the workflow for producing, live streaming, or performing live. The keyboard also supports Native Control standard integration, offering seamless access to Native Instruments presets and sound libraries directly from the Oxygen keyboard. Users can choose from 3 curated, complete 15 select bundles, beats, band, or electronic, expanding their sonic palette for any project. For rhythm and beat creation, the Oxygen Pro includes 8 RGB backlit, MIDI assignable drum pads with note repeat functionality. These pads are perfect for beat production, clip launching, and triggering soundboard samples. In addition, 4 assignable knobs, buttons, and faders provide tactile control over virtual instruments, effect plugins, and DAW parameters, giving producers complete command over their creative process. Additional production tools include Smart Chord and Smart Scale modes, an arpeggiator, pitch and modulation wheels, a sustain pedal input, and 1/8 MIDI out. The package also comes with a complete software suite featuring MPC Beats, Ableton Live Lite, Air Music Tech virtual instruments, and Akai Professional MPC expansion packs. Following the included download card, users can access software and firmware updates directly from the M-Audio website, ensuring they always have the latest tools for music creation. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Arturia MiniLab 3 MIDI Keyboard Controller. The Arturia MiniLab 3 MIDI Keyboard Controller is designed to bring your musical ideas to life with unmatched fluidity and flexibility. This compact controller adapts to your style, workflow, and creative flow, allowing you to control virtual instruments, mute tracks, punch and drum patterns, and adjust faders with intuitive precision. Its premium velocity-sensitive keys and responsive pads make every performance feel dynamic, while hands-on controls give you an immersive connection to your music, making the mouse feel almost unnecessary. Despite its portability, MiniLab 3 is built to perform. Lightweight and robust, it slips easily into a backpack and connects seamlessly to your computer, making it ideal for recording, performing, or jamming anywhere. Exclusive integration with major DAWs enables complete project control, allowing producers and performers alike to dive fully into their creative process without distractions. MiniLab 3 is a full-featured, compact controller packed with tools for music production. It includes a 25-note slim keyboard, 2 banks of 8 RGB backlit pads, 8 rotary encoders, 4 sliders, a mini display, and a clickable browsing knob. The built-in arpeggiator, along with hold and chord modes, enhances musical versatility, while touch sensors for pitch band and modulation, plus USB-C connectivity and MIDI out, provide professional-level control. Suitable for beginners and seasoned musicians alike, it empowers users to manipulate every aspect of a mix in real time. To complement the hardware, MiniLab 3 comes bundled with powerful software, offering thousands of presets across a wide range of instruments. Users can explore rich piano tones from the Concert Grand Model D, craft full tracks, and gain access to creative tools through a 2-month Loop Cloud subscription and Melodics. This combination of hardware and software makes MiniLab 3 a versatile solution for anyone seeking to express themselves musically with freedom and precision.